Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a picture in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts menu. From here we're just going to channels, tap on a channel, and then in the top right corner we find the chat icon. We tap on this, then we tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner, and then tap on camera or photo. Then the app is going to ask us if we would like to use our camera, and then we can select whether we want to take a picture or select a photo from our gallery and send that one. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.